Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I create this makeup look. This makeup look specially for Saraswati Puja. You can see I just wear a white saree and wear a bindi. This is a totally a Bengali traditional look. Please keep on watching. First, I am going to moisturize my skin. This is a olive facial moisturizer cream. This is for good vibes, and I am applying this. I am just applying a daily face cream because now I am in my home. I am shooting in indoor. Please don't forget to use sunscreen while you are going outside. For primer, I am using Ballerina Oil Free Face Primer. I am applying this in my large pore area. This primer is silicone base and this is oil free. I am creating this makeup look for day. So I am using a oil free face primer. I am applying this in my large pore area. Now I am applying a orange color corrector. This is for healing my face, and this color corrector is Elegant Pro color corrector. I love this color corrector. This shade is orange. I am applying this with my finger and blending so properly. Now I am using concealer in my under eye area. Today I am using concealer before the foundation because I want to look natural. Now I am blending this with a blender. Now it's time for foundation. I am using Maybelline full coverage foundation in my face, and I am applying this in my face and blending with a BB blender. I'm creating this makeup look for Saraswati Puja. This is a festival of Bengali. Devi Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge, but although we Bengalis celebrate this puja like our Bengali Valentine's Day. I just done my foundation. This foundation is so amazing. This foundation is pocket friendly, but although this is 10 on 10, you can use it, and this is very good foundation. Now I am applying banana powder for setting my makeup. I am applying this in tapping motion. My base makeup is done. Now I am going for my eyebrow. I am filling my eyebrow with a eyebrow pencil. This pencil is so good. I am filling my eyebrow. I am taking this and placing here in my eyebrow and creating stroke. Because I have naturally bushy eyebrow, so I'm filling just a little bit. I'm blending this. You can see my eyebrow is complete. Now I'm going for next step, and next step is eyeshadow. Now I'm going for eyeshadow. I'm creating today a very natural eye look. So let's start. First I am going to use this color. This is a neutral color. Second, I am going to use a brown color. And third, I am going to use a glitter. This is this color. Now I am starting. Now I am applying first color. This is a neutral color. I am applying this in my whole eyelid because this is my transition shade. I am applying this in my whole eyelid. I am blending this smoothly. Next, I am using brown color in my outer corner first and blending this color towards the center of my eye point. I am blending this. Because I am in dark complexion, so by using brown color for looking natural. And if you are in fair complexion, so you can only use just a transition color and just a neutral color. Now it's time for glitter. I am using glitter eyeshadow. I am applying this with my fingertips because this is so easy to apply. I am applying in the middle part of my eyelid. I am using brown color glitter. If you are in fair shade, you can use rose gold color glitter also. Now I am using a little tiny brush for doing my eyeshadow in my lower part. Now I am taking brown color eyeshadow and placing in my just below of lash line, below of waterline. This is so important step. Don't forget to apply eyeshadow in your lower waterline. Now it's time for eyeliner. If you want to apply kajal, you can do this. Now I am applying eyeliner in my eye line. I am applying a white color kajal in my waterline. If you want to use black color kajal, you can also do this. Now I am applying mascara in my eyelash. I am applying mascara in my upper eyelash and lower eyelash also. Now it's time for my cheeks. I am applying bronzer in my cheeks. I am applying bronzer in my this cheekbone. I'm just creating a shadow of my cheekbone and a little bit of my forehead. Now I'm going to apply blush in my cheek, and this is blush from Makeup Revolution. This is a peach color blush, and I'm applying this in my apple of cheeks. don't use too much product in your cheeks, and must blend it properly, otherwise it makes so unnatural. And I am also applying in my bridge of nose. Now I am going to apply highlighter in my highlighted point. If you want to skip it, you can do this, because I am creating this makeup look for day. You can also avoid this. This is totally optional, because I love to highlight my face, so I do it. Now I am going to apply lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick. This color is red, because I wear a red and white saree. I am applying a red lipstick. And this is my final look. I just wear a bindi, and don't forget to use setting spray. And I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please share and comment, and please subscribe my channel. Bye.